you. Cyrus and me were in college together in the same class. The difference was I was inside, he was invariably outside. Are we right? Right. Well, let me say, for starters, Manish Malhotra and me are stuck to each other like Fevicol, Mr. Parekh. And thank you for making this product that at least keeps two designers together. I have a Manish at home, and I have a Manish in a designer friend as well. I think that today's show, for all of you, I want to say first and foremost, sorry if you haven't got your first row seats, only because this is not a show in a five-star hotel for 400 people. This is a show for Cancer Patients Aid Association, and that's why we have requested Jayanti Bhai to give NSCI and have 10,000 people on top and at the bottom. I think the true stars of today are clearly Mr. Y.K. Sapru, Mrs. Rekha Sapru, and Sillu Jazdanwala, and of course Shelja. Genuinely, I'd like to thank this organization. My father, Nana Chudasma, hardly comes out, but he's here. My mother, Munira, had introduced me to this organization when I was just in college. And he always said that whatever donation you give will be used and spent correct through Cancer Patients Aid Association. We need to applaud them because they have worked tirelessly through the year. We come once a year and put up this show. Our very, very considerate partners, Pidilite, Mr. Parekh, Dev Jolly, all of whom sit in the background. They never even come up on stage. We have here our jewel, Manish Malhotra. Yeah. This man is tough to get, but he's always there for Cancer Patients Aid Association. I'd like to thank Asit Kotecha of ASK, Mr. Popley, Suraj Popley, Kanika, of course, for being there at a drop of a hat, and of course, the 75 people from different walks of life who you're going to see now. I promise you, we've never had so many doctors, lawyers, film stars, TV personalities, journalists, activists, artists, all in one, and most importantly, we have cancer survivors as well. I hope this audience will truly be very liberal with their claps and applaud them, whether they do it right, wrong, or otherwise. This show has only one purpose. It's been almost a 20-year association with cancer patients, but the idea is to show that glamour is meaningful, so go out and donate. And most importantly, for all the women who see thin models, you're going to feel happy because you're going to see all shapes, all sizes, all complexions, and you will feel happy wearing the clothes after. I only want to conclude by one thing that my father always says, that there are givers and takers in society. The givers sleep well, the takers eat well. I hope we'll all be givers. And thank you to my lovely children, Shania, Ayan, and my husband, Manish, for tolerating me through this 1 month of absolute madness. Thank you.
Thank you to the entire panel here. Thank you to the audience. We request, Mr. Sapru wants to say a few words.
I want to congratulate her for such brilliant speech and for saying such nice words to us. Big thanks. Please give a big applause to her.
Thank you. Thank you to all the dignitaries present on stage. And I'll ask you to take your seats now. Manish, would you say a few words, though?
Well, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here this evening. This is the 5th year that I'm here with CPAA. And thank you, Shaina, for getting me involved 5 years ago. In our courses of life, where we are so busy running around, working, enjoying what we do, in my case, like I do. But it's this moment that we take and we contribute. And tonight's the night for all of us to contribute to CPA for the cause. And thank you all singers, models, actors from different walks of life, everybody who's come here on stage tonight. So thank you all. And thank you, audience, for being here tonight for us. Thank you so much.
And now, after spending so much money on this show, we spent 25 rupees more per dignitary. And we've got flowers.
Shah, could you please come on stage?
Kripaya dhyan dijiye. Last and final call for Mr. Jayanti Lal Shah. Please come on stage. And how dare you run away, sir, in the middle? You know I haven't even rehearsed this once. You have to stay till we're done. A big hand for Mr. Shah for returning. Thodu agal, yes. And flowers, thank you. Shaina and Manish, we don't have enough flowers. We will send you showers of love instead. Oh, we do have? All right. Just water the flowers twice a day because they're already looking a little tired. All right, thank you. Let our dignitaries now exit stage. I think I've made them stand for far too long. And we're about to kick it off with Shaina's show. But before we do that, a big round of applause as we allow our dignitaries to leave the stage. Thank you once again.
Good evening and a very, very warm welcome to you all from me, Sophie Chaudhary. And it's such a pleasure to be here for Fevicol Caring with Style 2016. Now this is a more traditional, more organic. It's dedicated to all those craftsmen, those artisans, the weavers in Banaras, in Gujarat. So tonight what you will see is more organic, beautiful, traditional, hand-woven fabrics, Banarsi silks, brocade, mirror work, everything that is beautiful. And I promise you, his show will take your breath away.
everyone. It's the first time I walked in with a mic because I want to pledge you all to please, please donate something tonight to this wonderful cause that we are all here for. Thank you, models. Don't leave the stage. I love you all, and that cue's later. But thank you so much for always being there. We've all been here since 9 a.m. in the morning rehearsing, and they're always with me for all my shows, so thank you so much. And thank you, audience, for being here for us. I would like to call on the lady I love. She is the youngest. I wish we all have the zest for life that she has, Shabana Azmi. She loves textile, handloom, and when I spoke to her about this show, which was all for the weavers and to show their work from Banaras, Gujarat, and we went together to Mijma and to Mubarakpur recently, and of course this very, very important cause. When I spoke with her, she had to go at an award function. She said, no, I'm going to come here first. It's a very, very good cause. So here she is.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is a privilege for me to be part of this wonderful event. The Cancer Patients Aid Association has been doing human service for the last 46 years. And I think what is special is that they cater to the underprivileged right from diagnosis all the way to rehabilitation. What is more important to me is I think the concern and the care for the caregivers. Very often the caregivers get left behind, and in a long battle with cancer, they need support as well. It is also for me a matter of great honor and pride to be here with my friend, my partner, my colleague, Manish. He is very, very special, and people think we are a very unlikely partnership. But what has happened in the years that we know each other is that I've started wearing chiffon and he's moved on to textiles and handloom, so that's a good thing. For me, the handloom is really India's pride. This is what we can give the world. And the fact that it has been promoted today, the fact that China has made such a big attempt towards it, and all of us are supporting handloom, is the best thing we can do for our weavers. Thank you very much for having me this evening.
She also was not here in Dubai and specially flew in this morning for this show, for the CPAA and this cause. May I call the wonderful, talented, beautiful Huma Qureshi. And now, the most stunning, the very, very young, and the very fashionable and stylish, Athiya Shetty. Who, by the way, has an award to get tonight as a style young diva, but is here with us today for the CPA, for the cause, and for us. Thank you, models. Thank you so much. Thank you. I want to thank my team for working with me on this show. I want to thank Zen for being so wonderful, Dave, my friend Shaina NC, BitLife, and everybody here, Lubna, Adam, Nupur for backstage. And may I please now invite Mr. and Mrs. Sapru. CPAA for having me here today. Thank you, Mrs. Sapru. Thank you, Mrs. Sapru. Thank you, Shaina.
Manish, so nice of you to have called us and given us so much of your time. It will go a long way in saving the lives of hundreds of cancer patients suffering from leukemia. Thank you.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, this is the big moment. Can we hear it for the showstoppers of this evening? They are the real achievers. They are the real heroes tonight. Let's hear it for everyone from CPAA, Manish Malhotra and Shaina NC for putting this show together. Our stars of the evening, Shabana Azmi ji, Huma Qureshi, Atiya Shetty, Arman Malik, Kanika Kapoor, Sophie Chaudhary, Cyrus Brocha, and everyone who's taken the stage, and all of you who's come out here this evening. Thank you so, so much. Let's keep the energy up, guys. Can you hear it once again for everyone taking the stage? Fevicol Caring with Style is about beauty and style driven by this noble fight against cancer. Thank you, Mumbai, for your love and support today. This is such an amazing gesture towards making a difference for these little kids battling.
You know, Anik, I think we all, CPAA has been a very good organization and is very credible. And this is my 5th year. My friend Shaina asked me to get into this, I think 5 years ago. And we are in it. She's been there for a long time. And I think tonight's night is really special. It's above any fashion show for me because all the proceedings go for medical care for lots of people for cancer and young children with cancer. So it gives you a purpose, and I'm really happy to be here.
Manish sir, it was said कि संजय दत्त भी आएंगे, but वो आए नहीं। क्या कारण है उनके absence का?
शायद उनके लिए कैंसर से कुछ और भी महत्वपूर्ण हो सकता है। मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि मनीष मल्होत्रा और मैं फेविकॉल के जैसे इस संगठन के साथ जुटे हैं। कैंसर पेशेंट्स एड एसोसिएशन के लिए बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, जैसे कि सोफी चौधरी, अरमान, और सभी आते हैं ओनली फॉर द कॉज। I think it's imperative that in a city like Mumbai, glamour has a meaning and is not purposeless.
और ये और आज की शाम जैसे कि आपने इतना प्रिपेयर किया, सोफी ने खास आज के लिए गाना प्रिपेयर किया, अरमान दुबई से आए हैं आज सुबह ही, and he came and he rehearsed and he wanted to be here, and I think with such a young age to be here for a good cause and be wanting to do this, and I think all of us here tonight wanted to be here with all of you all and for this cause. And I think it's a journey that we look forward to, and as much as we can do, we'll do.
Sir, response का कैसा लगा? आज की शाम का response अच्छा लगा about this evening जो हुआ, जिस तरह का fashion हुआ?
बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक रिस्पॉन्स है। इतना क्राउड कहाँ मिलेगा? I don't think किसी फैशन वीक में या कहीं भी मिलेगा। We had 10,000 people watching the show. They were glued to their seats. They were clapping for our singer friends, for our work, celebrating with us, and hopefully we've all pledged to them that they will tonight give something for charity, which will go in getting the medical care for cancer patients.
एक्चुअली ये मेरा तीसरा साल है। मुझे याद है कि पहली बार मैंने वॉक किया था और उस वक्त बारिश हो गई थी, एंड इट वाज द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल फैशन शो ऑफ माय लाइफ बिकॉज टू बी ड्रेस्ड इन मनीष मल्होत्रा, बारिश हो रही है, सारी एक्ट्रेसेस वॉक कर रही हैं। आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा मोमेंट लाइफ में कभी हो सकता
और
है।
मुझे आज भी याद है, they told me कि कि आप शो मत करिए, अभी बहुत बारिश हो रही है। तो मैंने कहा crowd है, so they said 700 people are waiting outside. So we said
7,000.
7,000, sorry, 7,000, yes. And we said, सब clothes damage हो गए, but I said yes for CPA and all the crowd that we
हमेशा
must
यादगार
walk
ही
in.
रहता है.
Yeah.
लास्ट ईयर मैं ट्रैफिक में अटक गई थी, मैं किसी के बाइक पे यहाँ पे आके पहुंची, और इस साल आई थिंक इट वाज रियली स्पेशल फॉर मी बिकॉज मनीष आस्क्ड मी टू सिंग फॉर द शो, जो मैंने पहले नहीं किया है, एंड टू बी I always host for him, which is very special to me, but to be able to sing for Manish Malhotra's fashion show, that too on such a special and important evening, it meant a lot to me. और एक ऐसा गाना जो शायद किसी ने मुझे गाते हुए नहीं सुना है, बहुत अलग स्टाइल से, तो it means a lot. And the most important thing is that Mumbaikars come out. हालांकि आप बॉम्बे में रहते हैं and you have access to celebrities and glamour, but everybody comes out in full force to support a good cause, और वो एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, and it was really lovely to have Arman here as well for the first time.
आई थिंक इट वाज, ये मेरा सबसे पहला सबसे पहला शो था मेरे लिए टू वॉक फॉर सच एन अमेजिंग डिज़ाइनर, एंड उन्होंने कहा कि यू नो दिस इज़ अ रियली नोबल कॉज एंड आई थिंक यू शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ इट. तो मैंने यू नो आई टोल्ड सोफी ऑल्सो हैड टोल्ड मी दैट यू शुड डू इट बिकॉज दिस इज़ एन अमेजिंग थिंग टू डू, एंड मुझे लगता है कि ये करने से हम सबका भला होगा. It's not only the society, it's everyone out here. Everyone will grow as a human being, and to stand here with such esteemed people and do this for a noble cause, I think I'm really blessed. Really blessed.
We saw your contribution जब हम rehearsal के time पे देख रहे हैं,
जी.
कि cause के लिए कर रहे हैं, it's very nice, so it's very good.
Thank you so much. I'd like to dedicate a song to this cause, and I'll sing a few lines. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना. थैंक यू सो मच.
मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि बहुत बार हम शोज़ देखते हैं, वहाँ 300 लोग 400 लोग रहते हैं. ये पहली बार 10,000 लोग एक फैशन शो के लिए यहाँ स्टेडियम में, और एक ही मकसद है कि एक अच्छे कॉज को सपोर्ट कीजिए. आपने सबसे बेहतरीन कलाकार मनीष मल्होत्रा हो, सोफ़ी हो या फिर अरमान हो, सभी देश भर से आए हैं यहाँ. 100 से ज़्यादा लोग ने अपना वक्त दिया, समय दिया, and I think this can only happen in Mumbai.
Thank you so much.
Manish.